What's happening, guys?
Good morning. Good morning.
So I'm still long one on a couple accounts.
Oh, from last night?
I love it, man. This is great. Waking up to two accounts, all my accounts green.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, okay, now I can just relax and let this thing roll.
Yeah, it's pretty laid back trading at night.
Well, let's see what these do. It's kind of weird making new levels every single day, right?
Yeah. Just keeps on going.
Every
Keeps
single
on,
day,
keeps
new
on.
levels, new levels, new levels. Let's see here. That we established was a level. I know there's a level there. See that level. Probably one there. Won't really do that yet. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna add back down here to this one I'm long on. Should I show that one or just start fresh with the new account? I should start fresh with the new account.
Probably start fresh from the day because we can't just
It'll
let that
make
one
people
run. in the
catch
back.
up with me.
Yeah, it'd be kind of hard to catch up with you though from that position.
Alright, well, let's use, there you go. Use that one. I gotta be honest with you, man. We get a couple things that hit. I've got several accounts that are over $100 already from last night.
I mean, I'm
so
sitting pretty. Yeah, I'm the same way from last night. So
if you're not trading with us at night, then you're chewing big red.
big league chew.
Big league chews for babies. If you don't chew big red, then it's a Ricky Bobby commercial.
Ricky Bobby.
If you don't chew big red, then F you. All right. I'm all set and ready to roll. Ready to roll. What's happening, Dan? Jackap? Gunter? Where's Trader 58? Stretch? Lulu? Tom?
Egg.
Let's make some money today. Alright. So obviously I want to do an ad down here around 96-ish. So let's do that. Six-ish. Let's just get one in there. I thought this was on. Put that on the wrong account. Let's do like 96. Okay, thought I was on the right account on this guy.
Quick bathroom break before the start here. Be right back.
Me too as well. Let's get one. Oh, that says mini. Thank goodness. This is micro. All right, be back in a few.
All right. Get ready for this open. Oh. All right, 15 seconds. See if we can't catch that gold today. We don't miss that breakout like I did yesterday. Ooh. All right, here we go. Showtime. What's she gonna do? A pullback? Let's see what it does here off VWAP NQ. All right. If this thing can keep get down to VWAP, see what it does here. There it goes. Let's see, we're in a trade ES. Not really going anywhere. We lose Brian. I guess Brian didn't make it back. Got nothing on NQ. ES is getting close to that opening range there. Get a solid break above 62.5. That would be worth thinking. All right, let's see what happens. $62.5 solid break on gold. I'd be interested in that. NQ got nothing. NQ is going to get up. You could probably look at a long on the NQ here, break above this 66. Get us break up through there. There's your long at 62.5 on gold. I don't know if anybody took that. That's working out pretty good. You might want to take your profits on gold because right there at that R1, it's probably going to come back on you. Quick little $50 on gold, I guess. Or MGC, sorry, not gold. Trading micros. Liz, Brian, can you guys hear Brian? Is it just me? Is he in here? Or am I? You guys can hear me, right? Am I talking on mute? No, I'm not talking on mute. All right, there's the break on NASDAQ.
All right. Sorry about that.
Oh, there you
I was dealing with some stuff.
All right.
Now this is a crappy situation because NQ staying above the.
Yep, one's up, one's down.
All right, let's make sure our plan on buying is still good. Like, this is a good level. I mean, obviously, we knew that level from yesterday down here on the Globex stuff that we bought out of. So we should probably end up looking at adding one down here. Maybe a little conservative down at the bottom of this wick on this MES trade. And we got to call. I mean, this is a tough one because you got level on level and level that this could bounce off of here. Here and here. So I have a hard time seeing, again, this is one of those days where you got to look for, is this going to end up being some type of linear, if we get a linear move down, then we got to reverse our thinking. But as long as it's relatively decent price action and kind of stopping on its way down instead of just blasting down, I think we still got to think longs here, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I don't, nothing has given me the, I mean, NQ starting to pull back down. So if NQ could turn around, it'd be a lot more comforting.
Just popped up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we start thinking about adding
Nice
one
trade
here.
on.
It's probably going to go without us, to be honest with you.
A nice little trade on gold. That was a good, perfect run right up to R1.
So let's try to add. You're at 90, 91. I think we missed our chance to do it though. Try to add there. If not, we'll just buy market if it turns into an actual trade setup.
We might get another shot at gold, looks like.
Then let me take a little target. What now?
I said we might get another shot at gold. That was a pretty good first trade. It looks like it's pulling back to try it again.
All right, say when. Oh yeah.
I mean, when would have to be now. I'm just a little worried. already got the move. I don't know. Let's see if it holds here. It doesn't break below that. If it breaks below that, then forget it. Just forget it.
Well,
which it looks like it wants to do.
We gotta buy this at the market, man. I think we
Let
just
me know.
get in this and get a yeah, we gotta get in this and get a little target in. This is a long signal. All right. You know what? The easy thing to do is let's just put a buy stop in now since that candle's going down.
You're about to get filled, I think.
All right. Well, if it doesn't get filled, I'm gonna put a buy stop right
Put a
there.
buy stop above it.
Yeah. And then either way, I'm gonna put a little target here at. There we go. Let's get our little baby target up here. If you're worried about it going up, you can do a more baby target, but I'm just looking at this stuff from the Globex here. By the way, our targets nailed it on the Globex, like right when we walked away too. 20-30 minutes after we walked away, our targets got hit. Anybody else notice that? No? Okay. Alright, cancel that. Bring that back down to the next level. Well, yeah, this should be only a matter of time for this ES pushes up here. We getting any kind of trade here on the NQ?
Nah, I said long. I called long earlier on the break, and that's the only trade. I mean, if you're not already long, I wouldn't be jumping in this up here.
If you ain't long, you're wrong.
If you ain't long, if you ain't long, you're wrong. I mean,
Goes
it is
NQ.
long, but
It goes NQ.
it is, but your stop's got to be down around VWAP. If you're willing to do that, that's in your risk parameters, and push the button. It's a long. You get up to 8.15. Pretty nice little trade.
Let's get a little pullback here and buy it.
Mm-hmm. Who's coming back?
Right here. Should be about the spot.
Yeah, that's the area right there. If we get a I would like to see the ES push up.
It would be nice to see that, huh?
If the ES was a little bit more on the bearish side, it would be a little more comforting to take this NASDAQ here.
Well, but, you know, this stays below VWAP, stays below a level. We switch over to
89,
the shorts, man.
89 starting to slope down. We are below VWAP on ES. That's why I'm not jumping in this NASDAQ.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we really got to think about reversing our position if it stays below this level here.
Yeah, I'll leave that call to you on the ES.
I mean, almost got a neutral bias coming into this, but well, we're mixed, so kind of got to think about neutral bias, huh?
Mm-hmm. I mean, we really kind of are right here in the middle. So
Yeah, I don't. I mean, again, like how many times have we seen price going to all-time highs and just then the next day it's been a
choppy.
weird scenario because a lot of times you get all-time highs and during the next morning you got nothing but chop and range. Here it comes. Here it comes again to save the day.
This ES
Here
turns
it
around. We
comes
need to jump
save
in
the
the
day.
NQ.
Huh?
I said the ES turns around here. We need to jump in this NQ.
Yeah. Yes, it's turning now. Let's go. There's a nice little structure on the small tick chart. You can buy above, like what, 765 or something?
60,
Something like
65-ish. Yeah, see, there you go. See this thing go down? That is why I'm not sold on pushing the buy button on the NQ yet.
that. All right, let's just wait then.
We'll just wait. Let's be patient. We got no. We're good from last night. We're not.
Let me look at this a little bit. I mean, we need to seriously consider.
We're only down about $40. It's not a big deal in the ES.
We seriously consider a bias here. No, I'm not worried about like the loss. I'm trying to decide a bias on this thing. Yeah, all right, stick to the rules. If it stays below the level, this level that's established already, I really like this level better though, Paul.
Okay.
This is an intraday level. This is also an intraday level as well. I mean, we got a really good chance of getting down here and starting to like chopping around down here. But God, man, this has been so strong long, and if nothing changes, that's yeah. Below VWAP, 89's pointing down. We gotta switch this up, dude. Reverse it. Let it bounce up and reverse it. It's the only thing we can do right now. It's not a big down. I mean, you gotta see what happens. I like this level a lot right here. This is my level. I like this level a lot. And obviously, we made money off this level last night.
Yeah, that's where we were.
All on the long side. Tempting to add one here.
Morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
We're gonna not trade this morning. Keep your money from last night.
Yeah.
I don't even have Ninja Trader open. I'm just jumping into the room.
Let's see here. Let's see if this.
Here's your setup on the NQ. Oof.
Yeah, well, it was a setup too on the smaller tick chart. You had a nice little structure, and
You got your close above VWAP.
if that pushes
too,
back up, we're in good shape here on the longs. Really good shape on the longs. If this structure right here gets broken to the upside, then we should. Here we go. There we go. You're making me feel more comfortable with this now. I'm seriously thinking about the add here now on a buy stop.
Let me know.
That'd bring our fill price down to an achievable. Nope. Okay. This is where the rubber meets the road, guys.
I admit, you're making it sound good.
Huh?
I said,
What'd
you're
you say?
making it sound good.
Rubber meets the road. Yeah, we gotta switch it around, Paul.
You guys read that report? Did it make sense?
I browsed the top of it. I haven't read it all yet. I'll read it when I'm done trading.
Oh, I haven't had a chance to look at it.
I started reading it, but had to do my morning prep. So
Better eat your protein, Brian.
What?
Pretty extensive. You better eat your protein. It's pretty extensive.
Eat your protein. All right. Maybe there's a buy signal coming out of here. This is the last. This is literally the last area we're gonna look here, and then we gotta start scaling these shorts. Although the only thing that gets me here is that the NQ, now if the NQ stays below VWAP in 89, we've got to turn this thing around. And we're down how much?
About $80, $90, somewhere around there.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is where it goes. If it breaks this, we reverse this, get it all the way down to here, and then we'll start scaling in. So be ready to hit the reverse button on it. That's how we do this. Let's see. Yeah, if it breaks that too, you gotta reverse it now. Let's go with it. Now we gotta get a little baby target down here. Put us a little baby target in down at where we, like, literally where we bought from last night at 82, 73.82.
Oh.
Alright. That's about the best I could do with this, man. And if this loses, we're out. We're done. We switch accounts. It's following the rules right here. I mean, we could take one shot on adding one to the short here, and that would be it. So we'll get 3 deep on this, and we're only going to take it if it comes up and makes a sell signal. It's the only way we're going to take it. But it looks like we're probably going to be pushing down here. Look at that NQ staying up still. But we just close this out and sit on the sidelines.
Yeah, that's why I'm not even touching the NQ. I'm just sitting on my hands because this is
I
not.
can't. This is it. I have one account exposed, and I got another account that I'm way deep on from last night. That's it. I'm not even hesitating on giving. I'm not trying to give any money back today.
I mean, even so, it's still only $120. It's not like it's a major loss.
No. And we've rocked out wins on this daily.
Hey, can't win every one of them, damn it.
No, I'm not worried about it.
We like to think we can, but it doesn't always work that way.
Trader 58, what's up, Greg?
Morning, Greg.
If you were with us last night, you made more than $120. So.
I was real happy with the end of the month.
You ended up pretty well last night, so that's so much so that you're not trading this morning.
Yep. I actually had like 300 and realized I just, but I had that loss in the beginning, so.
Yeah. This NQ is just, woo, ugly. No, and no. We were waiting.
All right.
NQ looks like it's starting to turn up.
I know. This is very, very, very.
Is this another one of those where we killed the right trade?
Right, possibly. No, but this is again. Yesterday we were well above VWAP, well above 89, 89 pointing up. Now 89 is pointing down. We're below VWAP. We just should have probably hesitated a little bit on jumping into the longs. Even though I thought the longs were supposed to be the thing, right? When we started.
They've been the thing for a
And
while.
then,
So.
yeah, and then it turned over really fast. So,
There goes the NQ.
and the NQ was staying up. Yeah, kill it. I'm done. I'm not taking any more loss on this. We'll just sit on the sidelines and wait.
Come on.
Are we killing this or are we leaving it
Now,
up?
I'm looking to see if the NQ turns into a cell right here and goes back to the next level. Then we should be in good shape. So I'm just going to watch the NQ and see if it turns around.
I mean, I can literally get out right now with small.
Yeah,
Profit.
same here. Yeah, we have about $100 loss.
Yeah, it ended up being about $100. I mean, that is that. I could care less. I mean, that's
No, it's
whatever.
fine. I mean, we've made well over $100 every single day with this.
I finished 270
Well.
last night.
Well over $100 every single day with this.
So I finished 270 last night, so I gave 100 of it back. Who cares?
All right, yeah, let's kill this. This is done.
I'm out. I'm just gonna take the loss. I'm okay with that.
Yep.
That's 140 bucks. That's not bad. There goes NQ. Hate to say it, but possible 800 on NQ. But man,
No, I'm
scary
gonna
to
switch
take that
accounts.
trade.
I'm gonna switch accounts, and we're gonna reevaluate our bias and sit on the sidelines for a minute. Look at wounds.
There comes 800 on NQ. There you go.
Sit on the sidelines. Look at wounds for a minute and reevaluate. All right. That's what I said. I just we did kill the wrong. We killed the right trade, man. We should have
Yeah.
added at every level.
Yeah, it's gonna go up now, especially with the NQ punt up here. I think we're.
Yeah. No, I mean, if we didn't want to, if we were okay getting deeper on contracts, we would reverse that long now, double it, be 4 deep, and make our money back up here. But that's getting a little pricey at that point.
Yeah, no, I don't want to turn it. Then it's too much risk at that point.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Look at that. We got all day to trade this. I'm not worried about it.
Yeah, no, it's good. 94. Well, we took the loss. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, we've pretty much followed our rules, and you can't win everything, so. You know, what I like to do, though, is a lot of times when I do something like that, I like to sit back. There you go. So when we're trading like this, and you have a mixed market. I mean, really, this is a mixed market. NQ staying up, ES staying down as far as our rules go. Above the 89, above VWAP, below the 89, 89 pointing down, below VWAP. You know, you really should be hesitant on. Not often do the ES and NQ go in opposite directions. That doesn't happen very often. So when it does, you should be very cautious, extremely cautious, which we are. We tried one account on the long side, try to reverse it, and again, we could sit here and play shoulda, coulda, woulda all day long with your trades, but at the end of the day, if you're sitting here flip flopping all day long, this is a recipe for disaster. You got to know when to cut it.
Below the count.
Yeah. So you got to know when to cut it. You know, at the end of the day, we had a long bias starting here, and it turned into a short bias. And now again, if we switch over accounts, this is probably not a bad idea on the ES. Let it rally up, add a short, and then every time it rallies up, add another short, because we'll probably end up getting stuck in a range here. If you look back in time, that's what we had. So we'll probably end up with some kind of range, and that's fine. We just pick a bias when you get in a range, long or short. Our rules right now say bias should be short on the ES, but our rules also say our bias should be long on the NQ. So mixed signals, you got two options: sit on hands or limp. And when I say limp, and be very, very cautious. And so this account I switched to, I'm gonna be extremely cautious, and we'll again follow our rules. But when these two are opposed to each other, you're looking at a coin flip. It's a coin flip. It's a coin flip. That's all there is to it. Like you pick long or short, and you're going to be wrong both times. And you know that's where novices end up blowing accounts. I'd rather sit on the sidelines here and be red $100, $120, than guess shorts or longs right now.
Well said. I mean,
Dude, I mean, what else are you gonna do?
we just showed it. I mean, look, we just tried it and lost. I mean, that's an example right there.
Press buttons and
we pressed. We went long. We went short. We lost both of them.
I mean,
So
we could
stop.
have made money on it if we'd added more contracts, but that's a
Yeah,
coulda,
but-
shoulda game, and that's
but
saying, and that's
Not A
that's
plus.
and that's adding, you know, again, because if you're wrong when you add contracts, you really are going to be pushing that needle
And-
down fast.
That's why most people at dollar cost average blow up accounts because
Yeah.
they don't add strategically. They add to
Well,
get out of trades.
Well, that's why we use a dynamic. That's why our dynamic sizing methodology works, as opposed to dollar cost averaging or the Martingale philosophy. Those don't work long term because you're having to get too heavy on contracts. And if we're never going more than 2 or 3 contracts deep, we're not going to get hurt to the point that. And if we're always taking profit on the smaller contracts or on those smaller contracts and getting down in one contract as often as we can, then we can't get hurt that bad. This morning's a great example. We couldn't get a great bias this morning. Now again, obviously our bias should be short on the ES, but again, mixed signals, NQ says our bias should be long. Now if we end up with a double top here on the NQ, I will short that. But the idea behind this is don't get so deep that you can't recover from it. And that's what we did this morning. We kept it recoverable. Tomorrow on this account, we can come back, or the account that I switched it to, we can come back tomorrow, and guess what? Odds are we'll make $100. The odds say we'll make $100. And you know what? The next day, Monday or Sunday night, the odds say we'll make $60. Monday morning, the odds say we're gonna make $100 again. So you got 2 days of trading to recoup this loss, and that's it. Not even 2 days. We get a good day, that could be $250. You gotta think
Made
through
that
stuff
last
like
night.
that. Yeah.
No,
Well, that's just. I think we're gonna end up in this range here, though. To be honest with you.
I was looking like it's settling in, and
Yeah.
even ES is holding the Crable range. So I don't.
Cribel, the Cribel.
So is NQ for that matter. So we'll see.
Cliff notes on this.
Oil's coming back down. So
You okay?
What's that? Sideways 89. Oh, well, that was earlier because you didn't come back. I was like, did you fall in? You okay?
I almost did.
Hell, the toilet.
I almost did.
Fall in. The crater, man.
All right. I think.
Lulu, good morning.
Now, if we get back above VWAP on the ES and stay above this level, will switch back to a long bias and we won't get away from it.
You know, and, just to add one more thing about what you were saying is the difference between what we're doing and what most people do with dollar cost averaging is like I said earlier, it's that the average trader uses dollar cost averages as an escape parachute, right?
Yes.
Trade's going against me. If I just keep
Add
adding
more
counts,
into it.
at one point I'll be in the green and I can kill it. That's not trading. That's praying.
Yeah.
You know,
that's-
we are strategically waiting for our levels. And hey, we're wrong. Whatever.
Well,
It's
you know,
called
again,
trading. You lose in trading. Sorry.
we call this variable risk progression. Why? Because we're not adding too much risk. We're keeping our risk at a reasonable amount.
Right, but also to add to that is where we are adding are predefined levels and areas that we want to add. It isn't a random like, oh crap, it's going against us. Let's add a contract here.
Which is how we create positive expectancy. We expect our trades to make money. Get it? That's how you create positive expectancy. You have a plan that says if price does this, if price does A, which Paul is saying levels, right? If I said stay below or above VWAP in 89, pointing 89, pointing up, pointing down, and then Paul brought the levels in, right? So if price does A, stays above or below 89 VWAP, 89 is pointing up or down. Price does B, what Paul said, hits a level and bounces off of it. We take the trade, we add a contract. If it does not do that, okay, we don't take the trade and we don't add a contract, meaning that we had a long bias, right? And then it did not do what we wanted it to do here. So we tried to reverse it short here. Again, we should have reversed it short at this level, Paul, and we would have made money on it. But that, you know, hindsight's 2020, right? And then it's smart on our part because again, the NQ was staying up, and it's very rare that the ES does this against the NQ. Usually the ES is going to stay within a structure when the NQ is acting crazy. Usually, we had a imbalance of price action, if you will, because the ES moved way further than it normally would in comparison to the NQ. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so there you go. That's how you make babies.
That's how you make baby.
I'm gonna start saying that. That's my dumb thing now.
That's how you make babies.
There you go. That's how you make babies.
I am frozen.
Oh no. Oh, I got it. I have a little bit of
What?
order field.
I'm hearing
Order
I'm hearing
field.
order.
Yeah, all-time
Order
highs here
filled.
coming. Let's go. Oh, we gotta be
My
buying this,
freaking-
man. I'm gonna take this account and start buying it. The NQ sitting at all-time highs. It's dumb to think the ES is gonna stay down. You know.
Yeah. I have no data. I am
Oh.
literally, I don't know what's going on here.
Pay your bill.
Yeah, that would help.
Ah, what are you doing up there? Don't want that.
Whoa. What the?
What?
My,
Why is this thinking that that's my main screen now? Stop it. You're...
this NQ go. Here, I was thinking the NQ was down around, it's all the way to 832.
I know. I'm trying to freaking... that's what I'm saying. We got to start layering in on this account on the ES. Again, I like this level earlier.
Damn.
I don't think
trades.
we're not coming back down to here. That was a push down today. It was a flush out on the ES is what that was. And they did it. They flushed us out, people. Good job, big boys and girls. We got flushed out just like a retail trader. Guess what, though? That's not gonna happen to us again, man. Ain't gonna happen to us again, boy. That's the first time I've been wrong on my bias since we started this, by the way, Paul.
Yeah. I don't even know that you were wrong. I think we should, your initial
We probably
call
just
was
should
right.
We should
We
just
should
add.
just
I mean,
kept
again,
it. Yeah. You just kept it.
the only thing. Well, I had two big levels sitting here. Three big levels. Sorry, this one, the one below it, and then the one we traded from last night. And like I was prepared to take one of my counts. The one I was big green on, I did add into all those. And so I ended up with about 5 contracts. But I was big green before I did that. So I had to risk to do it. And then I started taking targets off as we came up through here. But I was big green. Now I'm really big green on it. I'm like $250 green on it. From the one from last night. But again, that's me holding position from last night. And if you're up $112, then you got $112 of risk that you can play with. That makes sense, right? I'm being stupid.
Absolutely.
All right, are we gonna take this breakout or what?
I'm gonna have to get in this. I missed this move on NQ. I'm gonna have to get in on this. I think.
Well, that was your job, bro.
I didn't have no data. I was thinking it was all the way down around 740. I'm thinking things all the way up at 832. I was like, this not moving.
Now the ES the 89 starting to point back up on the tick chart here. All right, if this doesn't turn into a sell signal, I'm not. Well, again, we're gonna wait for a pullback. I'd like to buy back here.
I'll take it if it comes back. If Nasdaq gets back to 815, I'll take it.
Yeah. You want to put a limit order in?
Yeah, I mean, I'll take it because I got a target up around 860, and I think 815, 816 is a good move. We got some strong momentum to the upside now. Now it's a lot cleaner. Now I can see it.
Everything's long now.
I just missed it. I mean, I missed it because I didn't have freaking data, but I mean, I gotta get a pullback. I can't
All right,
buy
we'll
it.
get the next swing. We'll get the next swing. Use the small tick chart. Let's use the small tick chart.
I'm looking at it. I've got my eye on it.
I think this should be a 610. Let's keep our eye on this because if this pulls back, I'm gonna be in it with you too on the long side. And then we'll look for again. This good chance that ES sits in a range, but again, NQ going all-time highs gives me a lot of
Dang it.
thought here that well, we can do a couple micros if we want to get the breakout. You want to take the breakout?
Gotta
on a
take
couple
it.
micros?
Yeah, I gotta take it. I gotta take it because it's not gonna pull back.
I mean, I did get that one NQ trade yesterday that was
Stop's gotta be
glorious.
below 815 though. If you're gonna take it, there we go. Target's off.
Target's off. Target off. Targete offe. Let me get rid of this one then now. Target's off on the trade? Oh, we're flat. Yeah. That's alright. I'm gonna wait for that pullback. Well, even if you get it back down to...
Kicking myself for missing that. Dang it.
It's alright. You didn't have the data, dude, and I wasn't looking at it.
Yeah.
I was teaching right in my mouth.
I was waiting for it, and I was wondering why it wasn't going anywhere. I'm like, man, this thing's taking forever.
Tom, we're gonna do an hour. Do you have a topic? You may come up with a topic for an hour. The first.
No, you just need to.
Levels.
Fine. I'll do levels for an hour.
There you go.
I think that's a good place to start because let's face it, that's
You're a good place to
probably
start.
between that and bias, two most important parts, right?
Well,
Or
if
you
I
can talk
really
about
wanted to start,
determining bias.
want to start with a course type of thing, then I should start with building a bias first.
That's what I just said. You might want to start with building bias first.
Oh, well, great idea, Paul.
I know, I'm smart like that.
This thing's going up.
Oh shit, it is. I know. I'm wondering.
Look at it. You can see it. Look at it. It's going up right in front of your eyes.
I think I'm gonna put one on and just hold it.
On the MQ. Okay.
Yeah, and then just let it go.
Well, could we try to let it pull back a little bit and get a?
I want it to pull back. I'm waiting for it, but it won't do it.
If the ES bust up here, I'm gonna put one. Maybe we actually should think about that now that I'm looking at this chart.
I want this thing back to 815, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Don't believe.
Bleep. That's all, folks. Who leaving? Who left? Stay in here.
Somebody got tired.
As Greg hopped out. Who's Danny Mac? Who's that? What's up, Danny Mac?
We got somebody.
Greg left. Danny
somebody
Mac.
to pick on.
Come Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday evening. The greatest trade show on the evening planet.
Yes, come join us.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday evening. We gotta figure out how to market that. We need to get that going out on the email to the database or something.
Yeah.
And please go and sign up on YouTube and Facebook.
Like,
Like,
like
subscribe.
us, help us out, will you?
7-day
Help
free
out
trial via WAP is in the message on YouTube.
Help out a brother. I'm getting in.
Huh? That's what I was asking, man.
It's not coming back. I'm getting the hell out. I'm absolutely 100% FOMO chasing this, but I think it's a pretty safe FOMO. I think it's a pretty safe FOMO chase.
Okay. I'm just waiting to see if the ES breaks out of this little box here. I think we're gonna be up, but how long is that gonna take? I don't know. No, I'm gonna sit down here for a minute. Need to be looking at the accounts that I'm trading here. That one's fine.
There we go. Target off. Target is off. Now you can do whatever you want. I don't care. Run. Now break up here and take off.
Run, Rudolph.
Run, Rudolph. There you go. That's what's called a
Know when to break your rules trade.
somewhat until, yeah, that's one of those when it's okay to break your rules because you just, it is a FOMO trade, but small FOMO.
Well, you know, at the end of the day here, you had a nice little structure built. You waited for it to get back down to the bottom of it. It's not exactly a FOMO trade. It's a trade that you said, hey, I'm a predetermined risk because if it breaks below this structure, I'm gonna get out of the trade. You made that decision to get out if it broke below the structure. Right? Correct?
Yep. There you go. There's it.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Holy moly! That snagged my target instantly.
Let's get
What the heck was that?
out of here. What in the world going on there?
Cutting interest rates beyond justified levels will boost inflation, says Hammock.
Oh, fine.
Fed's Hammock. I don't know.
Is that what it was?
I think get back in. I don't think that was just a hiccup.
Huh?
I said that was just a hiccup.
That's cool.
There you go. Target off. I jumped right back in.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
Yeah, I said you can get back in. I mean, it was that was just a news blip. That's still going to finish its
All
move.
right.
Go. Now look at that. Now I'm only down $80 on that account. If this thing can break out, I can get all my money back here. Let's go. Break out. And gold above 64.4. What do you think, Brian? Gold above 64.4. 64.4. I'm out. All right. No, it didn't take me out. It one ticked me. Holy cow, I'm still in it. I had to buy at 89.50. Slayed that effort. Buy at 89.50. Nice. That's a good trade. Sure did. Sure did. Like a quick little 10-point run.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Welcome back, Lulu. I don't see no. Come on, go NASDAQ. Stop playing. Just take
Lulu
off.
back.
Back again. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Lulu's back. Lulu's back.
Whoa. Not
All
much
right,
you can do with this.
I'm gonna, this thing's playing. I'm just gonna kill it here.
It might be done.
Yeah, I'm
Might
killing it.
be
I'm gonna kill it a
done.
small profit on this one. All right, well, I'm only down $71. I can live with that.
Again, if the ES goes above this, we're back to longs. But
And look at this. I killed the trade. It's gonna go now.
that's fine.
Look at that.
Fine.
There it goes.
Fine. They're just trying to take retail stops on that one.
Yeah. Oh, they got mine. Well, they didn't get my stop. They just got me to kill it. Go, baby. All right, there's the, come on, go, push, go. Come on, a little bit
Gold?
more. Yeah, see, I told you 64. 5. There it is. Boom. Right at the R1.
What the heck was that?
Now break through there. Go. Break through R1. It's going to go. I'm going to hold this back. There it goes.
Hold this back. Shady's back. The trade is back. Back again. Back again. Back again.
Come on, break through this. Break through this. Oh, if I can get through that, I think it'll run. Hey, it's
Yeah,
not good.
probably.
I'm going to put it at break even +1, and if it goes, it goes. If not, it's a wash. I don't want to give any money back. Come on, go. Oh, look at it's trying.
Go, puppy, go, go, puppy, go, go. Go, puppy, go.
Come on.
Just getting on. More newer all-time highs.
You know what? I'm going to pull this
It's
back.
gonna stop at the moon, I guess. Where do we go?
Pull back. Pull back. Oh, pull back. There it is. Look at NQ
Dude,
go.
that's crazy.
Look at
That's
NQ
crazy,
go.
bro.
That'd have got all my money back.
That is nuts.
Come on, break that arm. Get up there. Where's my fan? Give me a fan. Blow it up.
Yep.
Nope.
All right. Well, we can't stay anywhere on the ES, so I'm just sitting here waiting. I think again we could probably get back to the long bias and just be, yeah. What account is that? Let's. You could do it. Let's do one. Now again, this is one of those things. If you don't have another account to trade, don't follow me on this. If you don't have another account to trade, do not follow me on this.
Come on, break it. Come on.
And I'm going to be extremely conservative. I'm just going to put a buy stop down here. 90.75. So if you don't have an account to trade, don't do it. 90.75 is going to be the buy stop. There's going to be a buy coming up here on the MQ in a second. I mean a limit at 90.75. And that's just going to be super conservative. That's all there is to it. I forget which one I'm on here. I should be getting a little target here. Right.
All right. I'm back to green, baby. If you're in this gold trade, I'd probably move your stop to underneath that R1 there, because if it comes back below that, we're coming down. Just lock in that. But I don't really have a target on the upside. Yeah, it's gonna take me.
Said I was going to buy the next pullback and I missed it.
Yeah. Was that 90? 90.75? Okay.
Yeah,
No,
90.75 buy stop. Buy be it limit order, buy limit.
One buy limit 90.75 right a minute.
Danny Mac. Welcome, Danny Mac.
I don't see a. Oh, there he is, Danny Mac.
Lower lows, fantastic. Are you seeing lower lows?
Who's lower low? Lower low,
When did they
fantastic.
say that?
Lower lows.
That was
Where?
a while ago.
Oh, okay. I haven't
No,
seen lower
it was
lows
just
in
10,
since.
Long, maybe he meant that.
Liar, liar. I don't know.
Liar. Pants on fire.
Come on, gold. Go. I want to break out like yesterday.
It looked like we were going to get much here on the ES. I mean, realistically, if you were gung-ho for this, you still got to have the long bias because of NQ, but you could look at this as a level right around VWAP. Add, take away, add, take away, add, take away right here. But it's going to break out probably to the upside. Probably, considering the NQ's there. Most likely. Hang on, I'll be right back.
Well, might be a good time for a small break. Anybody in a trade right now?
You know,
I'm
it's
long
not me.
gold. I'm long gold. That's all. There's nothing else. I'm just watching.
How many points are you up on that one?
I'm in at 63.7, so it's going to come back. I was hoping it would hold that R1. I was hoping for a bust up, but I don't think it's going to happen. So it's all right. Still a good trade. But the beauty is I'm no longer red. That's all that matters. Not green by much, but no longer red. May add back in though if it comes down here to 62.5 on gold. That might be a good little another entry. Oh, it's holding. It's holding. Mhm. All right. I think it's a good time to step away for a second, take a break. Be back in about 5 minutes.
Later.
Hey, sorry about that, guys. Had something to deal with. Did we go on break? Well, I guess we went on break. Let me put the
No,
brakes
I'm
on.
back. I just went to grab something. I was a little hungry.
A little something, something. Boom, boom, boom. Now we can move this buy up to here, guys. Let's buy up here at. I'm gonna put it at the top of that thing there. Thingy majiggy. 96.75. Um, 96.75. 96.75. And then I don't know why I still always right click. Still always right click. All right, let's see if we get one. Maybe we get one filled somewhere around down here.
May have to just buy the NQ also. It's gonna settle into another slow creep up again all day.
Maybe we can trade it, make money though. And I don't know. Maybe let's look at this again. This is the prior all-time high for the ES here, or getting up there. Yeah, maybe we buy. This is the other account I had that was so green. That's why I didn't put that one on. This is just I'm killing it with this account today. It's just like this is the money I should have made yesterday in this account.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm looking at like I'm rocking. Let's see, about $300 right now. Give or take $300 on this. But again, I woke up to my average fuel price being down around where was it at? Right here, where it came down to, and I added in there. So it came down to my average fuel price, and well, I guess it was a little bit higher. Yeah, no, it's about right. Where's that right now? And so I added until I got down here. Like I told you, I have to 5 contracts with it sitting down here because I could put a stop in and still go to 0 on the trade from last night's profits. And I started taking profits off, and I just started adding back here. So it's beautiful, beautiful thing, beautiful thing. And I've ended up keeping that core 2 now instead of 1, just because, well, when you're that deep into profits, why not keep core 2? Right?
Why not, right? Yeah.
Why not? I've been keeping a core 2. Now I'm going to lighten up a little bit here up here at the top. That's why I put sell limit in. But the reason for me talking about this is because I was looking at, I was going to compare the ES and NQ. I mean, so yeah, all-time high. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have a sell limit. Maybe I should. Let me think about this for a second, because this might be this.
Just gotta buy this. There you go. Put my stop down here and forget it.
Sorry, Paul. I'm dealing with some crap here. Give me just a couple minutes, okay?
Yeah, we're not, no big deal. It's just not doing anything. I'm not in anything.
Maybe run some commentary because I do want people to be getting long on this somehow. Like we need to figure out how
I
to get
mean,
into
I don't
this.
know where you're going to get long. You need, at this point, I need a pullback.
Well, on the
And a
ES, we're
decent one.
sitting inside. I mean, again, it's ES is probably gonna go for all time highs, so we gotta like figure out like, well, it don't have to, but
I mean, if you want, we could jump in right here at the bottom
considering an
of, was this
ad,
30, 99.50?
yeah, like, no, let's leave this contract down here. Let it pull back. All right, let me deal with this. I'll be right back.
Go ahead. There's an area here. You could take this long here on the NQ. But ah, I just need a bigger pullback at this point. I can't just jump in this right here, up here. I mean, I got to get it down. For me on NASDAQ, it really needs to come down around 800, 820-ish area maybe. I mean, you could, this is the level here. If you get a sell set up, I mean, a buy set up on the 610. On the above, what is that, 87? I don't. Maybe a buy around 87.75. There you go. There, that would be your entry right there. Yeah, and it's gonna fail. Ooh, NQ or MGC. That's a long. Yeah, buddy. Come on, pull back down. I can get me in this thing. Oh, where this thing go? That pullback was it. That 87 would have been your long. I just wasn't far enough back for me to get in. ES didn't come down to our entry. My goal long is working out. I am long 67.3 on gold. Above that R1. Because that has been the level all morning on gold. I'm waiting for this thing to break out. I'll keep trying it too till it does. I'm not scared. Go, go, go. I got nowhere to get in here. If you're not already long on any of these, there's nowhere to get in other than just pressing the button, but I'm not doing that, so. Yes, all-time highs. Everything is just busting through. This is insane. New highs all the way around.
Guess it's not gonna go down, huh?
No, that's what I was just saying. I got nothing. I can't tell you to get. I mean, push the button. I guess is all I can tell you because we're not getting a pullback.
Nope.
I mean,
Well,
I'm not
let's go
buying
going
it up
back up
here.
here now.
I am long gold. That's working out pretty nice.
Yeah,
But
good
that,
for you.
other than that, I got nothing going on. No NQ, no ES.
No, look. I was looking at this as a buy, and I had to step away because I had to take a freaking phone call. Because they
Well, I said that. I called
Well,
that, but I don't know if
so
anybody took
they
it. But I
screwed-
wanted it further down.
They screwed my appointment up. They told me 3 yesterday, and I had to go to Bradenton instead of downtown. And now it's still Bradenton, but they called me and said it's 1:30 now, and I was like, guys, this is because the original doctor I was going to see had to go into the ER today, and I guess he's performing some kind of emergency brain surgery or something. But
Damn.
so that sucks.
You're a little smarter than we are.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know if he could do this.
I don't know about the money, but I'm saying I don't think I could do brain surgery.
He definitely got the money if you're doing that.
If you're a brain surgeon, you're probably making a little bit of change.
He's a neurosurgeon, but he's working on something. He's probably working on somebody that broke their back or something. Would be my guess. All right, here's what I'm buying the next pullback. I don't care what the hell happens, what it is. I'm really pissed because I literally had to walk away.
I called an 87 long. If anybody, I don't know if anybody took it. I said I was waiting for it to pull back further. So
This is what I was looking for. This is the trade I was looking for. Oh well. Next pullback.
be a $200 gold trade on today.
Awesome.
I'm telling you, man, these gold trades are no joke.
Well, you should still be in it, right?
I'm in it. Yeah, I'm holding this thing. Let's let this thing go.
Yeah. Next pullback, I'm buying.
So tempted to start trading gold instead of MGC. Jeez, be over.
No, you crazy person.
I know, but could you imagine? Take all the money I've made in the last 2 weeks on gold and put that in GC instead of MGC. Holy cow.
When did you get in?
Going out, buy me a Raptor. I got in at the break of the, when I told you, 47.5. 63.5. 47,
Okay.
63.5.
I didn't hear that. You got to holler at me and say, just buy gold
I
now.
said it. I said above 63.5. I said it.
I'm sure
said
you
it, right?
did say it.
You
but
guys
it
heard me,
wasn't-
right, guys?
There's a difference. It's different to me listening to you and whether or not you said it.
In fact, I said above that, and we should have a run to R1, and then if we break R1, it's gone.
Paul.
And we did.
There's a difference in that, and there's a difference in you saying it and me listening.
Okay. Well, that can't.
Can't
Yeah,
fix
that I
that
can't help
one,
you.
but
All right, I'll just start saying, hey, I'm going long now in gold.
bingo. Well, I mean, again, I was really intensely looking at what.
Yeah,
I
you
was
were looking at ES at
really
this point.
thinking about. Well, I had a tough time establishing the initial bias this morning. I mean, things were a little wacky. I should have followed the NQ this morning. As soon as that stayed up above VWAP, we should have just started buying the ES again. But again, can't do shoulda, coulda, woulda. You have to stick with your game plan, and my game plan said sit on the sidelines until we find a clear direction.
Here's a good little point that we could ponder. This morning, right? NQ and ES were
hold
opposed
on.
to each other. So all we really had to do was just be patient till they lined up, and then we could have pushed long and be done.
Yeah, but okay, that's true. No, that's true. No, and well, as soon as well, so the NQ was up at 10 o'clock, up at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, they were diametrically opposed for a while there, and then but
Yeah.
once they lined up, we should have been heavy. We should
This
have
should
known
have
it was
been
going to go.
this should have been going by. Yeah, we should have been buying through.
We
this.
shouldn't even have hesitated. Once they lined up, it was just game over at that point.
That's so something we put in the rules there. When they're opposed, as soon as they line up, go for it.
Especially since we haven't seen them opposed to each other in what? It's been a while. They've been running lock and sing for a while.
Ages.
Right. So that should have been a
Isn't it
big signal.
lockstep for a while, not lock and sync?
Lockstep. Lock and sync.
You
Lock and
were
step. I don't know.
You're freaking saying so screwed up, dude. Really?
Hey. But I'm making money.
You're doing it though. You're doing it. Oh, come on, escape.
I may not can speak, but I'm making money.
Speak. You speak of the truth. All right, let's see here.
All right, here comes our pullback.
Yeah, let's get this pullback on, like Donkey Kong. There's a level right here on the NQ.
03 maybe.
Right here, somewhere here is a level. If it breaks further down, and that was just that. I think that was just a reaction to the ES's all-time high. I'm tempted to look at this on the smaller tick chart as a buy. Oop, let me get that. Change that over to 4. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. This sets up here. This time I'm gonna take it. Gonna take it this time, especially if it sets up like that. Because again, we just had a reaction to that prior all-time high on the ES here, so that's the only thing that just happened. Just a little blip on the radar, bleep, bleep. What am I, 3 deep on that one? I'll need to put a target in. Okay. Dude, I am killing it on this account today. It is dumb. It is stupid dumb. I'm at almost $400 on it. But again, this is the benefit of coming to here. Let me sell this one more time. If you're not trading with us at night, well, this is a benefit to our evening session. I mean, you come into the evening session, and what do? We had these levels planned out last night. We didn't have to wake up this morning and do anything. We traded these levels. We made money on them last night. We made a few $100 last night, and then I woke up this morning. I left one contract on a couple accounts. So I have two. One of them's like $220. The other one's like almost $400 up. That's a $700 from two, getting no deeper than 3 micros on the MES. $700, and then on top of that, everything I did today. I had the day today that I should have had yesterday. This is my buy signal coming up here.
Sure, long coming up. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we can put a buy stop in up here above this little structure. And if that turns around again, we should be in a decent little trade here.
I'll take it right there.
Let's do 2 contracts and put the buy stop in. It's about to do it now anyway. She's about to go. Oh, there we go. Oh, now this is a perfect spot for the buy stop. This makes a little double bottom now. This will be great. I need to go up a couple ticks on this. Get it away from that high wick there. All right. So the point I'm trying to make with this is that if you're not trading some type of methodology that allows you to have a set entry like this is beautiful. I don't know how to get this on AI time. Is Tom still here? But this stuff, when I'm talking about stuff like this, needs to be put out. But this would be a great short here. Let me do that little quack thing again. So again, if you're trading and you don't have a set thought process on, hey, I want to trade from this level, or I want to trade from this type of structure, meaning you get a test, a retest, and then a bounce off of it. If you're not doing that, you're gambling. I mean, that's all there is to it. So when we do this on the MES here, we're able to rack up 100, 200 bucks a day. Why? Because we have a bias. Obviously, the bigger term bias is up, but even if we go to a smaller tick chart, we still have up. And we ran into this last night. I mean, at the end of the day, you're stacking up. You're padding your account going into the evening, going into the morning, when you can do this in the evening. And then, there's going to be many nights like last night where we say, leave a couple contracts on, let it run. Why not? You've made money. What's the worst that happens? You stop out for a profit? Okay. Well, I never stopped out for a profit. My stop was right down here last night. And was that right? Yeah, I was right down. Actually, no. I was down here last night. My stop was down here because we bought from here, right? And then I come up this morning and I was like, holy cow, we're in big time profit. And so all I had to do was sit with an account. Think about this. I had an account that was already green when I woke up this morning, and all I had to do was start adding into the longs again to keep it into more profit. And then you turn that into, people would kill for a $700 a day. Well, there you go. And then you don't take that trade because it fails. So you've got to have a philosophy that gives you a reason to get into a trade, not just, oh, there it is. Looks like the market's turning around here. No. Everybody talks about levels. Nobody uses them right. Nobody uses their freaking levels right. Right, that's it. That's my... So you use your levels right to make your money, not to fight against yourself. And I'm probably going to end up being flat on these other trades here in a second. All right. So we're in one now, and we probably want to add another one back down here where we originally wanted to, 90. And again, this is a reaction to the S's all-time highs. So we're still in the up market. We probably want to, or just take profits up here if you really want to do it. We could just say, oh, there's a S's all-time highs. Let's sell that, put a sell limit there. And then we probably, honestly, we probably want to get another buy on, but I'm going to be real conservative with this at like 96.75. That's the original time I wanted to buy was 96.75. Maybe it'll work this time instead of going, well, it would have worked the first time, but whatever. Sell limit in. Now we're going to get a little double bottom here. This is going to be a long signal here on the NQ. Coming from the 89, coming from a level, coming from blah, 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 blah. So that should end up being a decent little long there. Uh-oh. Hold on, that's a mini. Oh, crap. Get out of that puppy. Go, get out. Oy, oy, oy. That made me give me heart palpitations on this. Goodness gracious. Go. Get on out of here. Oh, man. That's scary, Paul. Go make me some money. Put this at break even now. Make a little profit on it. Oh, that was scary. Maybe that'll run. Are you here? Did Paul leave? Can you guys hear me? Can anybody hear me?
Sorry, no, it's me. I'm on mute. I was on mute.
Oy, 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 that was a mini, dude.
Yeah, I know, dude. That's gonna work out for you, though. You're okay.
I'm making some money on that one.
Yeah, that one's gonna make you
buddy.
some money. Maybe you get lucky and runs all the way back up to the top.
Oh,
That'd be huge.
shit. That'd be great. Holy crap. Gotta keep track of that little button there.
Yeah, that little button needs to be colored. I need to tell them to make that thing like hot pink or
It
something.
needs to like,
so you can
it needs
really
to
see it.
It needs to warn you in advance.
Or like a blinking or something. Yeah.
Yeah, like if it's a mini, there should be like a setting that you can put on there that says if it's a mini, it makes you uh, makes you double. Doesn't let you put order in without double
Confirming or something, yeah.
confirming the order. Because
I've done that many a times. It
ooh,
sucks.
buddy, ooh, buddy.
It's nice when it works out in your favor, but boy, when it goes against you,
Oh, this
sucks.
one's gonna be great too. Look at this.
Yeah, this one's gonna run back up to
Freaking great.
$300, $400, $500, $600 trade.
I think it's gonna be like a $600 trade. I love that. Look at this, $400 already. Keep going, baby. I'll take
Killing
that. I'll take it. Give me
Killing
my
it.
target. Let me get my target down here. I'm gonna do like just a like I'm gonna target. Get my target. Go get it. Come on, go get my target. I'm gonna do like. Don't you go down. Let me figure out the stop here. Let me put the stop up under that wick now. Let's squeeze this puppy up. Whatever happens, happens at that point. I'm gonna leave it alone. Minis scare me now.
They're big and scary.
They are big and scary. Well, and I'll have that there. Maybe I can do a little bit more aggressive of target. Maybe like right there. What was the target? It's gonna take me flat. Whew. Get out of that. Turn that off mini. That back on micro. Great trade, Brian.
That worked out.
Oi, oi, oi. That was scary as shit, dude. Scared the living pants out of me. Scared the pantalones off me. What?
That's funny.
Pantalones?
Like little pucker factor on that thing.
That was pretty scary. All right. We should put that target in on that one. I keep forgetting what account that's on. Or do we add one here? I think it's on that account's one we're on, I think. Nope. This guy? Nope. All right, let's throw a baby target in here. And I'm tempted to put a buy in here, but again, I think this 96 is the safe 96.75. I don't know why I didn't have that in there. 96.75. Or let's just do 97, whatever. There we go. It's probably going to bounce off this little structure here, but if it does, we can put a buy stop in there. Never mind, it's going to go up. I can't get deeper than one up here at the top, you know. You know what I mean? Don't want to be deeper than one at the top. I mean, I gotta be honest. When this flushes out, we get a little. It's looking like it's gonna be a little double bottom here on the NQ, but I mean, we might just start thinking this being done for the more. Well, I don't know. This is moving. I mean, we're getting movement. Here's the deal. I'm running out of accounts that I'm willing to miss money on.
I'm green across the board right now. So from being down 140 this morning, so not a problem. I can walk at any point.
Well, I'm just crawling.
It'd be a pullback here. We're gonna the one we're really wanting, the bigger one. Look, hey, Nasdaq's looking get back down to that 815. Fill that area I like. If it comes back down there, I'm definitely interested.
All right, I gotta go. I gotta go to doctor probably around 1:30. Like, I mean, I'm going to go to my original guy since they screwed up my appointment. I don't want to go to the one they moved me to, the neuro person they moved me to. So I've got to do some doctor juggling here this afternoon.
Doctor juggling.
Get them doctoring doctors.
Oh well.
Sure is tempting to try to add one here.
Are you want to stick around? You want to call it a day?
No, I got literally as soon as we, I think we just keep trading until like noon. I mean,
Okay.
I'm kind of in a position here, and I like to see it make money and then walk away from it. You know, I don't want to walk away from it in the red. I'm tempted to add one here, but. It is awful tempting to add one, but hang tight there. Hold on a minute. How am I 3 deep? No, it's one.
Here. Take a restroom break. Be right back.
This is account what? Okay. All right. All right. Well, if you're out there on what's that thing called? YouTube, social media, something like that, watching us do our thing here, make some money for you. Come join us. 7-day free trial. Click below. Bye now.